let's do unboxing of the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI. With this robot you can both vacuum clean and mop your floors. This robot has a LiDAR sensor to find where in the home it is, and it also has 2 cameras in the front to be able to find small objects so it avoids them instead of sucking them up. The JetBot is connected to SmartThings, which is the app where you can monitor and control your JetBot from anywhere. The robot can have up to 4 maps, so you can use it on different floors in your home. When the robot goes back to the clean station, it also sanitizes the mop pads with steam and dries them with hot air. The clean station has 3 different compartments. So first of all we have the wastewater. Here we have new clean water, and here we have the vacuum cleaning bag. So everything is, all dust is gathered into a bag instead of just a bin that you need to empty. And that's how easy it is to start up the Bespoke JetBot Combo AI. Ready to clean your home. So, thank you for watching.